Hello everyone, I am James and today let's unbox a LG 24-inch 100Hz refresh rate monitor. This monitor is an IPS technology and the model number is 24MR400. Here you can see the details mentioned, the price, the power rating, etc. On the right side it's mentioned about the refresh rate and it also has a AMD FreeSync technology. It is a technology or a process. So whenever you play the game connecting this monitor to an motherboard which has a AMD chipset or a graphics card, then the game will run very smoothly. So let's unbox it. It has already been opened, pack is already been opened. So let's remove it from the box. And also please note that this monitor, it is an IPS technology, that is the color will be very nice, plus you can view the monitor even sitting on the side up to 170 degrees. It doesn't mean that you have to sit in front of the monitor itself. Even if you sit at the sidewards, then the monitor will appear, the images will appear clear. So in the box we can find these things here. That is, they have provided a HDMI cable along with the monitor. So this is the HDMI cable. It is of maybe 1 or 1.5 meter. I did not measure it. So this is a quick setup guide and regulatory information plus a warranty card. So I would advise you to go through these documents once and do not throw them. They may be useful in the future. So this is the tabletop mounting stand. They have provided the tabletop mounting stand. This monitor can also be fixed to wall. So plus let's wait here. This is the adapter and the power rating is 110 to 220 input and output is 19 volts 1.3 amperes. So I was telling about the wall mounting. So this monitor, it can be mounted to the wall, but they have not provided the wall mounting kit or the wall mount bracket. If you want to fix it to the wall, then you need to purchase the bracket separately. It does not come in box. And now let's fix the stand. As you can see, the monitor is of 3 side no frame and only frame is on the bottom. That is 3 side frameless monitor. So on the back side we can see the connectivity, interfacing, etc. here. DC socket, DC power input, HDMI, D sub and a socket for connecting the headphones, or you can connect a auxiliary cable, that is output, line out. So this is the jog dial type switch. Press to switch it on and off, and right, left, up and down. So for setting purpose it will be useful. Let's fix the arm of the stand. So if you want to remove, just push that lock, pull it. If you want to fix it, just fix it in the groove and push it up until you hear the knocking sound. Once it's fixed, take the bottom stand. Here you can see a lock on the stand as well. So the lock should be on the back side. Just place it inside the arm and push it gently. So now it's fixed, it's locked. So let's connect it for the first time and check it. This time I'll interface it to the system using HDMI cable. If your motherboard does not have HDMI cable, then you can use a D sub cable or a VGA cable, which you need to purchase it separately, or maybe you might be having it, you can use it from the old monitor itself. So the adapter wire length is also quite good, maybe it is around 2 meters. maybe HD cable is also of 2 meter. I have not checked it properly. I will see if possible. I'll come up with one more video of review if I feel like doing it. If I feel like it is necessary to do a review of this monitor, if anything goes wrong and I feel that I have to make a video, then I will definitely go for one more review video. So this monitor, it can be tilted front and back. On the front you can tilt it up to -5 degrees, and at the back you can go up to 20 degrees. So just fix it in this way, 20 degrees. That's all. Only thing is, whenever you are adjusting the tilt function, that is front or back, please hold the stand tightly, firmly, and then push it backwards or pull it frontwards. So as you can see, it's switched on and the OS is Windows 7. If you have Windows 11, then this monitor will give still more better colors. I think so. I have not tried it on that. So presently at this itself, it's giving. I tried to search for the frequency, that is the refresh rate settings anywhere, but I did not find it. The screen is of full HD, that is the resolution can be set to 1920 by 1080, 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution. In your monitor setting or display setting, select the highest setting, that is 1920 by 1080. Wallpaper, and let's check with this jog dial here. As you can see, push to select right, left, up and down. Here is a quick setting, brightness, contrast, volume. Input setting, quick setting. Now I'm decreasing the brightness. You can increase, decrease the brightness. And input, picture setting, and general settings. And also there is a power saving mode settings as well. And if you keep it for auto input switching mode, then if you are connected two systems to this monitor, one by VGA, one by HDMI, so it will select whenever there is one is switched off and one is switched on, it will automatically switch to the input mode, whichever is switched on. Now here is the smart energy saving mode. Just read the instruction and do the selection. And also if you have done anything wrong selections, and the bottom last function you can see there is a reset. So you go to the reset, push it right side and select yes. Here you can, if you select yes, then all the settings will be reset. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.